Hi friends, in this video, let us discuss about function pointers or pointers to function. So like pointer to normal variables, we can also use pointers to point functions. So we know that variables has memory address so that we can refer that address using pointers. But what about functions? Is each function has a unique memory address? The answer is yes. Like every variable, function also has a unique memory address. Take an example. Here, the address of the function fun is 5024. Now, the syntax for declaring a function pointer is return type followed by a pointer name within parenthesis followed by parameters within parenthesis and a semicolon. See an example. If we want to create a function pointer whose return type is void and which won't take any arguments, then the function pointer syntax will be void function pointer name and an empty parenthesis. Similarly, if we want to create a function pointer whose return type is int and it will take an integer value as an argument, then the function pointer syntax will be int function pointer name and int in parenthesis. See this example program. Here we have the main function and the function hello. So in main, first we declare a function pointer fptr. So function hello's return type is void, so write void, and it doesn't take any argument, so write empty parenthesis and then write the function pointer name like this. So now we assign the address of function hello to this pointer, and we can do that simply by assigning function name to the pointer variable. So we have fptr equal to hello, that is the pointer name equal to function name. So the address of function hello, that is 6024, will be assigned to fptr. And finally, the program returns 0. Now, how to dereference function pointer? We can use valueAt operator to call the function like star fptr, and after that we need to pass the parameters within parentheses. Here, the function hello doesn't take any parameter, so we have placed an empty parenthesis. It will call the hello function and the output hello will be printed on the screen. Let's see another example with parameters and return type. Here we have the main function and the function sum with two integers as parameters and returning an integer. Here main function has the address 5024 and the function sum has the address 6024. In main, first we declare an integer variable ans and now we declare the function pointer. So here the function sum has return type int and two integer parameters. So we need to specify that in the declaration of function pointer. So we write like this: int star fptr within parenthesis and int also in parenthesis. Now we assign function address to fptr simply by writing the function name sum. So 6024 is assigned to fptr. Now let us call the function by passing 10 and 5. So we write star fptr in parenthesis followed by arguments in parenthesis. So control goes to the function sum, and here 10 plus 5 is calculated and the result 15 is returned to the calling function main and is stored in ans. Now we can print the result. So we will get 15 printed on the screen. Now let us call the function again with values 10 and 50. So we write star fptr in parenthesis followed by arguments 10 and 50 also in parenthesis. So control reaches sum and 10 plus 50 is calculated here and the result 60 is returned and stored in ans. Now let us print that too. So we will get 60 printed. Finally, the program returns 0. Now, the function pointer syntax is a little complex compared to other data types, so we can make it easy by using the typedef keyword. The syntax to create a function pointer using typedef is the keyword typedef followed by the function return type followed by function pointer name in parenthesis and the parameters information within parenthesis and finally a semicolon. Now see an example. Here, we are going to create a function pointer for sum function. The return type of sum function is int. So write typedef int followed by the pointer name, and the sum function takes two integer arguments. So write int within parenthesis followed by a semicolon. So If we want to create a function pointer which takes two integer argument and returns an integer value, we can simply create it using fp like fp fptr semicolon. Here, fptr is a pointer to function which takes two arguments and returns an integer value. Next, we are assigning the address of some function to fptr. And as we did in the previous example, we passed 10 and 5 to the function. So 10 plus 5 equal to 15, it is returned and stored in ANS and is printed. Now, we call with 10 and 50 and the result 60 is returned to main and stored in ANS and it is also printed. And finally, the program returns 0. In the next video, we will learn how to pass and return function pointer to the function. So that's all and thank you for watching this video.